Are you making these mistakes when trying to draft or adjust patterns? Don't worry, almost every beginner does. And the good news is that fixing them is also very, very simple, and it can dramatically improve how your garments fit. Now let's go through some of the most common mistakes I see beginners make and how to fix them. Number one, inaccurate measurements. Honestly, some people think it doesn't matter, but being off by even as little as half a centimeter can throw up the entire fit of your garment. So don't think, oh, it's just a matter of like of 1 centimeter, and then you just ignore and continue with your business. Because trust me, you see the reason why you shouldn't have ignored it when you're done sewing. And the quick fix to avoid this is to always measure twice, and if possible, have someone else measure you for precision and accuracy. I know this solution sounds like very, very simple, but try as much as possible not to ignore this. Number two, skipping your basic blocks. Guys, this one is very, very rampant, because even on this channel, people put all sorts of comments on my tutorial videos like, oh, they don't want to see paper. Why can't I just like move straight to cutting on the fabric instead of all of this preamble I'm doing and all of that? And in my mind, I'm always like, girl, this is not the right channel for you if that's what you're looking for. I don't know why people, especially beginners, don't like to be patient. They just want to jump straight into designing without drafting any sort of foundational blocks first. Like, who does that? But the problem is, without these blocks, guys, your designs, they won't have like a solid base, and you will always struggle with fit issues. I'm not even joking. It is something that is very, very true. However, the clear solution to fix this is simple. All you need to do is to always start with your 4 basic blocks, then you can just build from there. And if you don't know how to draft them, please just go and learn. Go and learn. Number 3, forgetting ease allowance. Ease is that extra space you add to your pattern so your finished garments can actually be worn comfortably. Beginners often forget this, which results in something that looks nice on paper, but it's way too tight after sewing. Quick fix. Always add the appropriate ease allowance for movement, because guys, your body is not a wall. It's made of fluid and flesh and bones that move around as you move. So you need to account for all of that in your patterns before you even cut your fabric and sew. Number 4, not marking grain lines and notches. First of all, if you don't know what a grain line is, that would be like a video for another day. But if you do know what grain lines are, not taking note of them is one of the usual major causes of frustrations beginners face when sewing. Let me explain. If you skip grain lines or notches, your pattern pieces will get cut or sewn in the wrong direction, which twists your garment or even ruin the entire fit of the garments. You can watch my last video on this topic of twisting garments that are twisted, just to understand what I'm talking about. And the quick fix to this is always mark your patterns clearly before cutting, so you know exactly where all your balance points are, where all your dots are, where everything is, and what direction to place your pattern on your fabric when cutting. Trust me, guys, this makes a world of difference. Number 5, mixing up seam allowance. Whether you forget to add your seam allowance or you add it 2 times, both of them are major causes of garment fitting issues. The fix: decide what your seam allowance will be before you draft or before you even cut, and be consistent with it every time. Be consistent with what you choose. For me, I always use like a 1/4 inch for necklines. I use 1/2 inch for armholes and 1 inch for side seams. So there's no chance I will ever forget that, because that is what I use all the time. And guys, these little details might feel very, very small, but altogether they make a big difference between a garment that fits beautifully and one that doesn't. I see these mistakes all the time when I enroll new students for my course. And honestly, I also made them, I made some of these mistakes when I first started out. But once my students understand and fix these issues, their confidence literally skyrockets and their garments finally start looking the way they imagined, exactly the way they imagined. That's the difference between struggling for years with trial and error versus learning with proper foundations. And in my full course, I'll walk you step by step through drafting the 4 basic blocks so you avoid these mistakes right from the beginning and save yourself time, fabric, and frustration. Tap the link right above your screen to learn more about it. And if you are new and just starting out with all of these, everything including pattern drafting and all of that, don't forget to download my free pattern drafting essentials checklist. It's a very quick way to make sure you've got all the right tools and the right mindset before drafting your first block. You can find the link to this right in the description box below this video. Remember guys, mistakes are part of learning, but the faster you fix these mistakes, the faster you'll create garments you are proud of. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.